So we're here today in a garden that is completely empty other than for paths. It's a totally blank canvas, which can be a little bit intimidating, but that's why it's a perfect place for a garden on the roll border. Straight lines, just making sure that we level everything off right now to make sure that when we roll out the borders, planting in, good to go. So here we are just planting out one of our 8 metres by 90 centimetres borders. We've done it 3 times, so it's on repeat, which will look fantastic once it's established. The difference in the plants in just sort of 3 months will be amazing. We're getting them in now, which is a fantastic time to get them in because the ground's just started to warm up, the sun's out. Couldn't ask for a better day to be doing it. Give them a few months growth and it will be completely filled in and transform this blank canvas.
As you can see, we've got a shady border this side, so all the plants there are suitable for low light levels, even though in the summer it will get some more sun. Over that side you can see it's really sunny. So they're different plant selections. That's a sunny border, this is a shady, but we've tied in some plants on both sides that will live in sun and shade, just so it links together. So the soil is really nice here, which is really important. So the planting is nice and easy. We've got 4 or 5 of us doing this, so for you at home, you've got your friends around, you can plant up a garden like this in a weekend.